Imagine a world where your glasses do more than just help you see. They unlock digital layers over your reality. Smart glasses are making a powerful return, and this time, the promise of augmented reality is finally catching up with the hype. From discrete notifications to hands-free navigation, wearable tech is stepping off the sidelines and moving right into your daily life. At the very center of this revolution stands the Meta Ray-Ban collection. Think classic style fused with cutting-edge technology, frames that look timeless while quietly blending smart features right before your eyes. With these new AR glasses, you can snap photos or stream video, get weather updates as you walk, or preview directions right in your line of sight. Social sharing, voice commands, and AI-powered hints are built in, seamlessly woven into your routine without breaking the flow of your day. But it's not just about Meta. Tech giants and startups alike are racing to make glasses smarter, lighter, and more powerful. Imagine translating a foreign menu instantly, seeing virtual reminders hanging in your living room, or collaborating on projects with colleagues, their reactions hovering beside your vision no matter where you are. By 2026, augmented reality glasses are set to shift from niche gadgets to mainstream essentials. The lines between the physical and the digital are blurring fast, opening doors for gaming, learning, navigation, and even health tracking, all from a simple pair of frames. The return of smart glasses is more than a comeback. It's the dawn of a new era, where the world around you becomes the screen, and innovation rests right on the bridge of your nose. Ready to see the future? The next generation of wearable tech isn't just arriving, it's already here.